These crazy TikTok kitchen gadgets are blowing up online, and they'll seriously make everyday life so much easier. From genius tools that cut your cooking time in half to fun gadgets you didn't know you needed, these trending finds are a total game changer in the kitchen. Turn everyday veggies into fun, healthy meals in seconds. This Spiralizer transforms zucchini, carrots, or potatoes into ribbons, noodles, or curly fries with almost no effort. Just lock in your produce, flip the switch, and let the hands-free system do the work. With multiple cut styles, you can swap out pasta for a fresh, gluten-free twist that's full of flavor. Cleanup is simple too, with dishwasher-safe parts and a cleaning brush to keep everything sharp and safe. Meet the little crab that saves you from bulky colanders. This clip-on strainer latches right onto your pot, letting you drain pasta, veggies, or dumplings with ease. Heat-resistant silicone and sturdy stainless steel mean it won't flinch at boiling water. It fits most pans, folds flat for storage, and cleans up in the dishwasher. Cute, practical, and surprisingly tough, this gadget makes straining safer and way more fun. Barbecuing just got a serious upgrade. This smart controller keeps your smoker at the perfect temperature without constant checking. You can monitor everything right from your phone using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, so you're free to enjoy the party. An automatic fan adjusts airflow to maintain steady heat, giving you perfectly cooked meat every time. With multiple probes, you can track different cuts at once for foolproof results. Washing dishes just got a lot easier. This clever palm brush stores soap inside and releases it with a simple press of a button. Tough nylon bristles scrub away baked-on messes, but stay gentle on non-stick pans. The rounded shape fits right in your hand for comfort and control. When it's time, just refill the soap or swap out the bristles in seconds. Running out of closet space? These stackable storage bins are designed to keep everything neat without taking over your room. Each tier clicks securely into place, and the front doors with magnetic closures make it easy to grab what you need. Plus, the whole unit rolls on wheels, so you can move it anywhere. When not in use, just fold them flat. Organized living made simple. Dinner doesn't have to be complicated when one appliance does it all. This multifunction oven can grill, bake, steam, air fry, and even keep your food warm. 10 different cooking modes let you whip up anything from crispy fries to fluffy cakes. The digital display makes adjustments simple, while built-in recipes take the guesswork out of meals. Compact, stylish, and powerful, it's like having a full kitchen packed into one box. Whip up breakfast favorites in seconds. This electric crepe pan makes crepes, pancakes, tortillas, blintzes, and more with ease. The non-stick surface heats evenly in just 30 seconds, while the automatic temperature control keeps food from burning. Compact and easy to handle, it's perfect for any kitchen. Cleanup is a breeze. Just wipe the non-stick plate with a damp cloth, and you're done. Why wait in a drive-thru when you can make breakfast faster at home? This sandwich maker cooks 1 or 2 sandwiches in just 5 minutes. Layer in your bread, eggs, cheese, and toppings, and the non-stick rings handle the rest. A built-in timer beeps when your meal is ready, so there's no guesswork. Fresh, hot, and completely customizable, it's breakfast made your way every time. Who knew toast could be this high-tech? This smart toaster comes with a full-color touchscreen that lets you pick exactly what you're toasting. Bread, bagels, or waffles. Wide slots fit everything from thick slices to frozen treats, and you can adjust the shade to your liking. The high-lift lever makes it easy to grab without burning your fingers. Sleek, powerful, and precise, it turns breakfast into a breeze. Breakfast prep just got easier. This egg holder keeps your fridge neat while making eggs roll forward automatically, so you never have to dig to the back. With 4 vertical tiers, it holds up to 30 eggs while saving tons of space. Strong plastic construction keeps everything secure and protected from cracks. Slide it into your fridge and enjoy an organized, hassle-free way to grab eggs anytime. Big mess or tiny spill, this little mop is ready for it all. Its sponge head soaks up water fast, and the built-in squeeze handle lets you wring it out with one hand. The groove design digs into stains and leaves surfaces spotless. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to store when you're done. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, desktops, or even car windows. Dishes just got a whole lot easier. This 2-in-1 gadget holds your sponge and dispenses just the right amount of soap with every pump. Its large reservoir means fewer refills, and the leak-free design keeps your countertops spotless. BPA-free and safe, it's built to last while saving soap and effort. Compact, smart, and perfect for any kitchen sink setup. Your morning coffee just got smarter and greener. This reusable pod system works with most single-serve coffee machines, letting you brew your favorite grounds without the waste of disposable pods. You save money with every cup while cutting down on plastic. Just scoop, fill, and pop it in for a rich, fresh brew. Cleanup is quick, and the pods are built to last, simple, sustainable, and delicious. Boil water without even leaving the couch. This smart kettle connects to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth so you can control it from your phone or with your voice through Alexa or Google. 4 preset temperatures mean your tea, coffee, or cocoa is always just right. LED lights show you the mode at a glance, and it keeps water warm for up to 2 hours. Safe, fast, and super convenient. Staying organized just got a whole lot easier. This pocket-sized label maker connects to your phone with Bluetooth and prints clear stickers in seconds. No ink or toner needed. The app gives you endless templates, fonts, and icons so you can design labels your way. Perfect for jars, school supplies, cables, or even small business packaging. Lightweight, rechargeable, and always ready to tidy up your world. Morning routines just got more flexible. This 2-in-1 coffee maker lets you brew a single cup for a quick boost or a full carafe when you're sharing. Choose your cup size, pop in grounds or pods, and you're good to go. The slim design tucks neatly under cabinets, saving precious counter space. With dishwasher-safe parts and a warming plate to keep coffee hot, it's built for busy mornings and long sips alike. What if your kitchen had its own personal chef? This smart cooking robot blends, stirs, steams, chops, fries, and more, all with a single touch. Over 20 functions and thousands of recipes mean you'll never run out of ideas. The touchscreen guides you step by step, so even tricky dishes become effortless. When dinner's done, it even cleans itself with just water and soap. Cooking just got smarter and easier. This multi-cooker doesn't just simmer your meals, it stirs and even shreds automatically so you don't have to lift a spoon. With 9 presets, you can saute, sear, slow cook, or make risotto with foolproof results. The large pot handles family-sized meals while keeping everything evenly cooked. When dinner's done, the non-stick ceramic parts pop right into the dishwasher for quick cleanup. No more guessing in the kitchen. This digital scale makes measuring ingredients quick and easy, so your recipes turn out just right. The removable stainless steel bowl doubles as a mixing bowl and is dishwasher safe for stress-free cleanup. You can switch between grams, ounces, and milliliters at the push of a button. With a bright display and tare function, you'll breeze through cooking, baking, or meal prep like a pro. Seasoning has never felt this futuristic. These electric grinders let you add salt, pepper, or spices with just the push of a button, no twisting required. The wireless charging base keeps them powered and ready whenever you need them. With 5 grind settings, you can go from fine to coarse in seconds, and a built-in light ensures precision. Sleek, stainless steel design makes them as stylish as they are practical. Tired of cleaning microwave splatters? This magnetic cover solves the mess in seconds. It attaches to the microwave ceiling when not in use, so it's always right where you need it. Just pull it down to cover your food, and the vented design lets steam escape for even heating. It collapses flat to save space, is dishwasher safe, and keeps your microwave spotless with almost no effort. Clogged drains are a headache, but this sink strainer makes cleanup simple. It holds a disposable mesh bag that catches food scraps and peels while letting water flow through. The frame rotates 90 degrees, so it doubles as a handy towel rack when you need it. A suction cup keeps it steady, but also lets you move it wherever works best. Say goodbye to messy sinks and plumbing problems. Breakfast tech just leveled up. This touchscreen toaster lets you pick your bread type and shade with a simple swipe, and the digital projection display shows your settings in real time. Wide slots fit bagels and thick slices, while the built-in rack warms pastries to perfection. With reheat and defrost functions, your toast is always just right. Easy to clean and sleek in stainless steel, it's a modern upgrade for any kitchen. Struggling with stubborn lids is now a thing of the past. This jar opener uses strong stainless steel teeth and a long handle to give you extra leverage, so even the tightest caps twist off with ease. The non-slip grip keeps it steady in your hand, doing the hard work for you. It's especially helpful for anyone with weak hands or arthritis. Compact, sturdy, and easy to store. It's a small tool that makes a big difference. Waffles just got an upgrade. This flip-and-store waffle maker creates thick, fluffy, Belgian-style waffles in minutes, right at home. The smart hinge flips 180 degrees for even cooking, then folds upright to save space when you're done. A ceramic non-stick coating means your waffles release easily and cleanup is quick. With cool touch handles and a sleek, compact design, it's the perfect breakfast buddy for any kitchen. Turn dessert time into an experience with this 7-in-1 ice cream maker. It transforms simple ingredients into creamy ice cream, gelato, sorbet, milkshakes, or smoothie bowls in minutes. You can get creative with mix-ins like fruit, candy, or chocolate, and even make healthier options like dairy-free or low-sugar treats. With one-touch programs and family-friendly design, it's a fun way to whip up personalized frozen desserts anytime. No more babysitting the grill. This wireless meat thermometer gives you total freedom with an ultra-long Bluetooth range that reaches up to 1,000 feet. Just stick the probe in and track the temperature right from your phone or the bright LED display. It's accurate, waterproof, and even stores data if you go offline. With presets for different meats, you'll hit perfect doneness every single time without hovering over the smoker. Turn your morning coffee into a cafe-style treat with this 5-in-1 electric milk frother. Whether you're craving silky lattes, foamy cappuccinos, or refreshing iced drinks, it handles hot or cold froth in seconds. Temperature control ensures perfect results every time, and the auto shutoff adds peace of mind. Dishwasher safe and easy to use, it's the quickest way to level up your home coffee game without leaving the kitchen. Cooking in a small space doesn't mean you have to deal with lingering smoke or odors. This portable range hood gives you powerful suction with 3 adjustable speeds, filtering out grease and smells in seconds. No ducts, no installation, just plug it in and start cooking. With triple core filtration, LED lighting, and a compact design, it's perfect for apartments, RVs, or any kitchen that needs fresh air without the hassle. No more fumbling in the dark. These rechargeable lights snap under cabinets or along stairs with strong built-in magnets. No wiring or tools needed. Motion sensors turn them on automatically when you walk by and shut them off after you leave. You can pick from 5 brightness levels, whether you need full light for cooking or a soft glow at night. Recharge with USB-C, and they're ready to shine again for days. Snacking just got smarter. This electric serving tray uses a vacuum seal to keep food fresh, crunchy, and full of flavor for longer. With divided compartments, your nuts, candies, and cereals stay neatly separated. No mixing or mess. It runs on batteries, so you can take it anywhere from dorm rooms to picnics. Lightweight, portable, and party-ready, it's the perfect way to serve and store snacks in style.